Good morning, Rob. Very busy indeed, and it is continually going to stay wet across the Eastern Cape. Those heavy snowfalls still expected for a good part of your Tuesday for the province, extending into parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Free State as well. So just like Rob said, lots of roads closed, so be careful if you are going to try to be on the roads. Strong winds as well expected across the southern parts of the country. So we will continue to see scattered to widespread rain showers across much of the Eastern Cape, parts of the Free State and over western KwaZulu-Natal. Snowfalls will persist across the highland areas of the Eastern Cape, extending northwards into parts of the Free State and also eastwards into KwaZulu-Natal, including further down into Kokstad. The rains are starting to ease down from the western areas, just isolated showers forecast for parts of the Western Cape and also northwards for the northern areas of the Free State. It is going to be dry for Gauteng, but pretty chilly with fresh winds expected, sunny skies for much of Limpopo and also across Mpumalanga. But here along the east coast, we have very strong winds expected, gale force winds reaching up to 75 kilometers per hour, especially around the Richards Bay area. Now, we still have quite a lot of weather alerts for this Tuesday. Damaging winds and damaging waves along the east coast, strong winds as well for much of the KwaZulu-Natal and Eastern Cape interior. Disruptive heavy rains persist for the Eastern Cape coast. Localized flooding will continue to be a problem here, and disruptive snowfalls further north up to level 6 for that across the northern and eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. The chance of snowfalls will be lighter as we go towards the eastern parts of the Free State. Now, here's a closer look at the temperature for your part of the country. It is going to be chilly in Gauteng, Johannesburg and Vereeniging, managing highs of just 12 degrees. There is still a chance of light rain and drizzle around the southwestern parts of Gauteng. Sunny skies for Limpopo, but the cold air has also invaded the province. Temperatures in the mid-teens for most areas, a bit warmer for the eastern sections. It is going to be sunny as well for the bulk of the Mpumalanga province, very cold for Emelo and Standerton, both managing highs of just 11 degrees. It is going to be a chilly one around KwaZulu-Natal, especially for the interior. Kokstad, snowfall still possible this morning with a high of just 5 degrees. Cold and snowy as well for the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Scattered to widespread rains for the rest of the province. Dry as we go towards the western parts of the Western Cape. Cape Town warming to around 16, the same for Hermanus. It is going to be dry for the Northern Cape, but chilly still for most areas. They are peaking at 11.9 for Sutherland, wet and snowy for parts of the Eastern Cape of the Free State. Wepena peaking at just 11 degrees. It is going to be dry for the northwest, but a few showers are possible this morning for Klerksdorp and Potchefstroom, peaking at 11 degrees.